I love you for coming back to my channel. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be talking about a supplement that someone asked me to review. She asked me to talk about the Glutaberry supplement, and so I will be taking your comments and seeing how I can be helpful with some of these videos. Alright, so let's get started. Please don't forget, we also sell skincare ingredients. We sell I believe our Instagram sells skincare products. We also sell supplements, everything you need skincare wise. Alright, so let's go into this video. We sell skincare supplements, we sell organic ingredients, we sell skincare products as well, tailored for your skin needs and all of that. Okay, if this is your first time here, my name is Naomi and you're welcome to our channel. Our channel, because we're the one that make things happen here. Please ignore any noise you hear in the background. I live close to the road, and so there's a lot of movement and cars and all of that. Okay, I feel like I haven't been here in a while, and I'm so happy to be back here. So yeah, let's get into this. Talking about the Glutaberry 200 milligram supplements. This says Glutaberry 200,000 milligram fast action. A lot of it is written in this is the Malaysian ink, but this is high glutathione 200,000 plus collagen plus vitamin C plus Q10. Okay, a lot of it is not written in English, but yeah, it says 100% premium whitening for lady and gentleman. Yeah, that's basically it. All right. Then this is my G, my guy's guy. And it's my guy's guy because I'm trying to open it to bring out sachet. Alright, I'm almost out. So this is Glutaberry. I have a video of how I take my Glutaberry. To be honest, I haven't really taken only like pure Glutaberry to see what the effect is. I take it alongside other supplements. But I'm going to tell you the reasons why I take Glutaberry. First of all, Glutaberry is sweet. It's very, very sweet. And you know me, I don't like bitter things. So I cannot do bitterness because I did not come to this life to come and suffer. Did you? No. So I take Glutaberry. Glutaberry is made into a drink. I take an empty, like a bottle. I can't find my bottle. Let me lose my phyto cup. So let's say I use this. I take 3-4. I used to take one whole sachet. It's very sweet though. Glutaberry is 5,500 baht, by the way. To be almost with 6,000 by next week. If all things being equal, it might be 6,000 by next week. So it's 5,500. Excuse me. And so before I used to take a whole sachet, but because of our economy now, what I do is I basically use it for its sweetness. I use it for its sweetness because most of the supplements I take might be bitter, and so I use it for its sweetness. So what I do is I can split it into 2. I can split it into 3s. I just use it for its sweetness purpose. It's very sweet. It's very, 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 very sweet. It's not, this one is not Zobos. It's sweet, and so I take it for its sweetness. I use it to make my other ingredient supplements more palatable. But if you're on a budget, you don't have money for plenty supplements, you can just get a very simple glutathione. This is chemical, like pharmaceutical glutathione, 500 milligram. This is pure glutathione, no additives like our phyto astaxanthin, our jaw whites, or collagen, or satin skin, BBU. No, this one is pure glutathione. It doesn't have any extras like these guys. Sorry, we have supplements for sale though. Message us, we have them for sale, original supplements. So this is 500 milligram pure glutathione. If you're on a budget, buy these two. or your Gluta Prime, or your, what's the other one? Is it Gluta Plus? I don't even remember the name. Buy these two together. Oh, our lighting, so it's about to rain, I think, so the lighting is becoming very dull. Let's take these two together and you see really good results when you take those two together. So like I said, I take it for sweetness purposes. I don't take it solely, but I've given this to someone alongside pure glutathione, and she said she got very noticeable results. So you can use that two together, or you can even, if you're on a budget still but just want to glow, just your skin to glow, you can take only Glutaberry. Let me read the ingredients to you. Sorry, it says it has glutathione, berry mix, fish hydrolyzed collagen, pine bark extract, grapeseed extract, coenzyme Q10, vitamin C, glycine. It is made in Thailand, so it has all those ingredients. The English is not very good, sharp, but at least they make good products. Glutathione is the highest here. It says 200,000 milligram. I don't think it's up to go. Berry mix is 100,000 milligram. Hydrolyzed collagen 200,000. Coenzyme 500 milligram. Grapeseed extract 100. Vitamin C 100. Pine bark 100 and glycine 100 milligram. Okay, so that is the milligram of marketing strategy. They might be saying that, well, that's not necessarily it. And this is made in Thailand. Yes, this is made in Thailand. The English is not good, but at least they make good products. That one is for sure. And so if you're on a budget, like I said, get the Glutaberry and pure glutathione. You still see good results. Or you can just take pure Glutaberry and still get good results. But I basically use it for its sweetness purposes, so that it makes my other supplements easier to drink, because I empty all my supplements into a cup, I shake together and I drink. I don't swallow. Did you come to this life to suffer? I did not come to this life to suffer. So bitterness, stay far away from me. I like sweet things. Everything is sweet. My life must be sweet. I don't do bitter stuff. So that is basically it about the Glutaberry supplements. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I might have forgotten something, but if you ask me in the comment section, I will be able to answer you. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for supporting this brand. I hope to see you in my next video.